Hello, dear traders, you're watching Economic Calendar on InstаФорекс TV channel. In the later half of the week, traders will keep track of the following macroeconomic reports. On Thursday, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will announce its official cash rate decision for June. The regulator is expected to raise its interest rate to 3.25%. At its previous meeting, the central bank lifted its benchmark interest rate by 25 basis points to 3% in April from 2.75% in March. The decision came in line with the economist's forecasts. That was the second month of the rate hike. At the previous 24 meetings, it has been unchanged. For context, the RNBZ cut the official cash rate on January 2011 in an attempt to spur economic growth. RBNZ Governor Graham Wheeler said that the New Zealand economy had a considerable momentum. The GDP grew 3.5% in March and global economic situation is quite favorable. Meanwhile, the US will disclose its unemployment claims report. According to economists, the indicator has come in at 306,000 claims last week. In the preceding week, the seasonally adjusted indicator rose by 8,000 to 312,000, the US Labor Department said. In the meantime, analysts had expected approximately the same figure, 310,000. In recent weeks, readings were unstable because of seasonal correction associated with the holidays' floating dates such as Easter. Nevertheless, the overall situation in the labor market indicates improvement. In addition, China will release its industrial production data. Experts agree the indicator has increased 8.8% in May. April dynamics showed that the world's second-largest economy is about to show slow growth. The country's industrial output expected 8.7% from the previous year. There has been a great deal of speculations that the Chinese government would fail to reach its growth target of 7.5% in 2014. It has implemented a series of key economic reforms for that purpose. Furthermore, these days will be marked with the following macroeconomic data. Thus, Australia will unveil its unemployment rate and employment change figures. The ECB will publish its monthly bulletin. The US will release its retail sales data for May. Stephen Pawlett, the governor of the Bank of Canada, is to deliver his speech. In addition, Governor of the Bank of England and Chairman of the Monetary Policy Committee, Mark Carney, will also speak. The Bank of Japan is to sum up the results of its June meeting and announce its interest rate and monetary-based decision. In Canada, manufacturing sales data will be out, while the US will report its producer price index and consumer sentiment by the University of Michigan. It was Economic Calendar. Have a nice trading with InstаФорекс.